fraction. This is the question is 2/5. There's a bracket open 6x minus 1 bracket close. It's equal to 3/4 bracket open 3x plus 2 minus 2. What are the first thing you are going to do in solving a question like this? The first thing you are going to do is to find the LCM. And the LCM of 5 and 4, lowest common multiple, is 20. To make this, why are we finding the LCM? The reason why we are finding the LCM is we want to turn this fraction to linear equation. This is a fractional equation. We want to turn it to linear equation. So, in turning this equation to linear equation, you now said 20 times 2/5 bracket open 6x minus 1 is equal to 20 times 3/4 onto 3x plus 2 minus 2 times 20. So by the time you divide this, we have 4 times 2 onto 6x minus 1 is equal to 4 divided by 20. We have 5 times 3 onto 3x plus 2 minus 40. So 4 times 2 will give us 8 onto 6x minus 1 is equal to 15 onto 3x plus 2 minus 40. Before expanding this, I'm able to turn this fraction now to a linear form. But let me try to simplify it more, so to making it more reduced than this. So let's multiply the value of 8 times 6 will give you 48. 48x minus 8 is equal to 45x plus 30 minus 40. So now the next thing you are going to do is, let's try to collect the like times. This is 48. 48x. You shift this to this side. It will turn, this is positive already, but it is invisible. So you shift it to this side. It will now become minus 45. Minus 45x. Now, so this 30 this will come here to give you is equal to plus 8 plus 30 minus 40. So 45x minus 48x minus 45x will give us 3x is equal to, so now this one will surely give you 38 minus 40. So 38 minus 40, we now have 3x is equal to minus 2. So let's divide both sides by 3. So we have 3x over 3 is equal to minus 2 over 3. So x will cancel x. So therefore, x will now be minus 2 over 3. So this is the logic and the basic steps that we use to solve equation with fraction, as whereby we try to reduce it from fraction to linear form. After taking it from the linear form, you collect the like terms. After collecting the like terms, and you make s as a subject of the formula. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.